ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're ready.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning. This is Bob with Bob's Toolbox Talks again. Today we're going to try and put pads in this thing the easy way of doing things. Or maybe not the easy way, because the easy way they don't stay in very well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and put our pads here on the top. And then we're going to see if we can close them and keep them in there. The top ones are easy to put in. All you got to do is put the O-rings on them. And the bottom ones are easy to put on too if you know the trick. Open them back up. Shut that off. What we're going to do is we're going to put that O-ring right on that pin. And a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll just put it in there and just mash them together. And what happens is it just takes and shears that O-ring, and then the pad will sit there for a while, and pretty soon it'll fall out and go down the grout and go somewhere else. But if you give that thing a good coat of grease, and that's why this taper in here is the way it is. Then you got an arsenal of like little picks that you can choose which one works the best for you. And I think if I remember right, that one works the best for me. We're going to put that in there and we're going to get that O-ring started in that hole. And with any luck at all, that just flops right in there. Let's see if we can do it again. Maybe we just got lucky the first time. Never was lucky. I'm good, I'm not lucky. Just like that. Have a nice day.